Tech begins.
Conveyor line.
Precision sort.
Airflow reading on chamber 4 is fluctuating.
Acknowledged. Adjusting pressure differential now.
Frame born.
This data point here shows a 98% smoothness rating.
Excellent. The calibration is perfect.
Glass form.
Looks good. The calibration is holding steady.
We're seeing a spike in the upper left quadrant here.
Just a fluctuation. I've adjusted the settings. It's stabilizing now.
Core built. Power core.
Looks like a full cycle pass.
Confirmed. Temperature metrics are nominal.
Screen alive.
Performing within tolerance.
Yes, the application is seamless. Check the readings on panel 9. There's a slight inconsistency here.
I see the localized heat signature. Let's flag it for manual review.
Core assembly. Seal perfect.
The touch sensitivity results are consistent across the batch.
Good. Let's monitor the connectivity on the next 5 units.
System awake. Final flow. Placed perfect. Seal complete.
Packaging securely to maintain product integrity.
Check the alignment on box 204. Looks spot on from here.
Yeah.
The print quality is excellent. Let's move it through.
Pack ready.
Is optimal. Confirmed. We are exceeding the target metrics for this hour.
Secure load. Stored precision. Trace secure. Global reach. Perfect form.
Check the auxiliary metrics on screen 4.
Reading stable. No anomalies detected.
Endless output.
Maintain the
Origin core.
Confirmed. Adjusting the dial slightly.
Mind units.
Humidity levels are stable at 40%. Good. Keep monitoring the temperature in Zone 3.
First light.
The latest run shows a slight deviation in the waveform, but it's still within tolerance. Agreed. The pass rate remains steady.
Vision clear. Pure tech.
Showcases design, build quality, and manufacturing excellence. The facility operates as a fully integrated system, ensuring continuous, safe, and efficient smartphone production.